my lovely Virgos, this is Shri Vidya and I am bringing you love relationship reading for the month of June. And let's speak at your partner, what your person, whomsoever you're thinking about, what he thinks about you, what he is going through in his personal life, and what he is bringing to the table for you. Is he going to take any action in the month of June or not? Please like and subscribe if it relates with you. So let's begin for Virgos for the month of June. What the partners of Virgos feel towards, thinks and feels about Virgos, my Virgos. What their partner thinks and feels towards my Virgos. What their partner thinks and feels towards my Virgos. Please, my dear angel, my dear guides, please guide me. What the partner of Virgos thinks and feels towards Virgos. Okay, so now Wheel of Fortune, Judgment, Aries, Leo, Sag energy is very prominent. Okay, and Ten of Swords, reverse. So somehow this your relationship has seen a like brutal ending in the past, and now he feels that you are recovered from it, and either many of you, he feels that your partner feels that you want to return back to this partner. He sees you returning back to him, or you are returning back to some other person and you are taking a decision. He sees you taking a decision, and it's like you are flourishing. Anyhow, you are like totally upon yourself and taking decisions, that kind of an energy. And since Wheel of Fortune is upright, this shows that he feels that he has done something bad to you, and now universe is supporting you. So you are being supported by the universe. I have no idea how, because it's general reading and I don't go that much deep. So this is what your partner feels about you, what is going on with you. One more card, let me get one more card. What he feels about you, one more card. What this person feels about you. Eight of Pentacles reverse. See, Eight of Cups is also reverse, Eight of Pentacles is also reverse. Somehow this person feels that you are taking action, but you're not taking action towards him. So you might be like recovered from the heartache that the betrayal that this person gave you. You are recovered from it. You are not taking any action towards him, but you are planning to maybe go back somewhere. I don't know you where you are planning to go back, but this person sees you going back somewhere and not taking any action towards him. Okay, what this person is going in his personal life towards you. You must be a cat lady. Okay, tell me what this person is going in his own personal life with respect to the love. Okay, the Fool, Aries, Leo, Sag energy is very prominent here. Tell me more. Two of Cups. Okay. And the Aquarius energy is also here. Lovers reversed. Oh my god, one more card. Major arcanas are here, and it's all like full of love. This person is full of love for you, and you both have not been talking to each other in the past. Okay. Oh, you know what I sense that this person feels you are over the betrayal that he did to you, and now you are returning back to him. See, I told you that this person is thinking that you are returning back to him. Yes, he is very happy that you are returning back to him. He feels that you are returning back to him, this person. And this person gesture is that I'm not ready for any kind of love or reconciliation from your side. So he is in denial state, and he wants you to come to him and praise him or support him or whatever you want. He wants you to take action. So he's like, he is seeing what I am getting from all this cards. He is seeing that you are currently not taking any action towards him, but you will eventually return to him. This is what he perceives of you, what you are going to do, and what he is doing in his own life with respect to you. He really loves and cherishes the moment you both had, and is like he feels like you're coming back to him. this kind of energy he is going through. Is there any action he is taking towards you? Is there any action he is taking towards you? Nine of Pentacles reversed. Tell me more. Tell me more. Queen of Wands. This person is dealing with more than 2 people, or at least 2 people, and there are 2 men's also involved. So see, this is a very, this person is in multiple kind of a relationship, and he is going to tell you that once you return to him, he is like prima facie through some other source, he is going to tell you that he is out of some different connection wherever he was in, and now he is fully ready for you, like that kind of a energy. But you need to come and approach to him, because this person is waiting, not taking any action. He is involving himself in some other affairs, but he knows that you will eventually come back to him. Okay, what is advice card for this for you people? I was saying for this person, this is like a mentally sick person. Okay, what is advice card for my Virgos? What is advice card for my Virgos? Tell me more. Yeah, one more card. Sag energy is here. See, they are reminding you of the past that you have been through. You have been betrayed. So first of all, I am seeing that you are not fully recovered from it. You are working a lot. You are taking it is advice for you to concentrate over more of your work, more of your friends, than to come to this person, because some of you could be thinking to returning back to this person. But even though this person loves you, but that respect that one requires, that should be there. So I'm not seeing that this person is totally, he is taking you for granted. In short, he is taking you for granted. Let me get some romance angel cards also for my Virgos. Please tell me some, any advice for my Virgos, or whatever is going on in their love life, what they should do. I am getting love yourself first. Deception. See, the 7 of Swords. There is a deception. There has been a betrayal. Forgiving and learning. And one more final card. Tell me. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual ties. And separation. Okay. So it's very clear from these cards that you need to be just like, take your own action, move towards your own goal. Don't forget what this person has done to you. This is like the person who is taking advantage of you, and currently also he is in that energy that you will be coming back to him. The first card is 8 of Cups reversed. He feels that you are going to come back to him, and like you are lucky to have him. See, that kind of an energy. Like a sick kind of a person he is. So for most of you, this is general reading, so please take what resonates to you. So this is an advice card that although you forgive this person, but never forget what this person has done to you. And there are some other soulmates also for you waiting. So that get out of this energy. This separation and see, reconciliation I am also saying. So he could come for reconciliation if you don't go towards him. So first and foremost, the advice for you is that just keep away from this person. Yeah. Take care. Let me know how you resonate. Bye.